Hi guys, for those that don't know me, my name's Neville. I'm an FMBP. I've been an FMBP for 4 years and enjoying it still. I was going to sort of type this out, but I'm dyslexic, which makes that a little bit awkward for me. And add screenshots, which could also make it very confusing for you. So I thought, well, I'll just make a video because that's always the easiest way of doing it. Okay, so this is for the people that have said, how do you set up a shop on your Facebook page? Now, I'm assuming you have made a business page because that's what you have to make to obviously have a shop. And on there, you will have a button which you can change to a shop now. Okay, and I know that's not what you're asking for, and I am going to show you. But you also have a shop now button or a sign up button, and you can actually link that to your own sign up page because you can make one of those, or as in my daughter Zoe's case, she's got a shop now and it's linked to her personal shop. Okay. And if you don't know it already, you do have your own personal FM shop. And I'll come back to that in a bit. Okay, but to set up a shop, and as you can see down the side here, there is no shop set up. You'll go to your page settings. You go to templates and tabs, click on that, and you probably just got it as a business template. You might have it as something else, I don't know, but you go to edit there and you just run down the different ones until you get to shopping. Now mine's at the top, yours might be at the bottom, and then view details or shopping, go down to the bottom, and I haven't quite got that so you can see it, so I'll move that down. Add template. Okay. Alright, so that's your shop setup. So go back to the page and now you'll see shop. Click on shop and it will say welcome to your shop. Here we go. Add products. Right, so click on there, select a file. We'll go for FM Royal 800. Beautiful, that is beautiful. Use picture, name, FM. Always put FM. Be proud of FM. Be proud of the name. It's a great name. Great products. FM Pure Royal 800. Most of the Pure Royal range have already sold out. Have you seen that? We're so good. For us, that would be £15. For Mr. Joe Public, I think it's $22.50. Then better check that out, but I'm pretty sure that's right. The description, wonderful. Put in the URL that you want it to go to. Okay. Or you might get another window come up before this. That happens to be my URL for my shop. I'll change it for you later. But if you don't know where to find your own shop, if you just type this off, okay, all the way up to the / and then enter your ID number in there, when you do that on Google or whatever, it will take you to your own personal shop. It's your personal link to give out to people to say, there's my shop, go and buy something. Thank you very much. Okay, and we save that. I hope this is you're understanding this okay. You've just added your first product. Well done. Okay. So there we are. That's there. As I said, you might get another window. Alright, and it will have two choices. And tick the one on the right for adding your own URL to your shop. And then just add another one. And you just keep adding. And once you've finished adding, you can go back to your page. Once Facebook are happy, they will add it into your shop. They're already happy with that one, so they've added it into the shop. The thing they normally won't be happy on is if you're trying to sell two things off one picture. Other than that, all our stuff's good. Go for it. Okay, hope you understood that. Now I've got to work out how I stop recording. Bye for now.